Have you ever seen a rare, discontinued classic restored? To the point where even the original factory wouldn't recognize it. In the previous episode, we completely stripped the car inside and out. The engine was fully disassembled and meticulously rebuilt. The entire car was brought back to peak condition. In this episode, it's time for the heavy-duty work. A premium anti-corrosion coating for the entire body. First, remove all the interior sound insulation. Scrape away decades-old asphalt insulation, finally getting rid of that 30-year-old smell. There are plenty of rusted-through spots on the chassis. We cut them out and weld in fresh metal to strengthen the old frame. Put on your safety glasses. Let's get started. The old paint is completely stripped off. Then rust protection starts from scratch. The body is covered in thick body filler. Everything is sanded down and refinished properly. Next comes the highlight of this restoration, the full-body e-coating process. This is the soul of modern automotive manufacturing. It's also the gold standard for classic car restoration. First comes degreasing, removing oil, grease, and contaminants from the body. Then rinse away the remaining chemicals. Surface conditioning prepares the metal, ensuring the conversion coating forms evenly. Next, a ceramic conversion coating is formed on the metal surface, improving adhesion and corrosion resistance. Another rinse removes residual chemicals. A final rinse with purified water prevents mineral deposits from affecting the coating quality. Now for the e-coating. Electric current deposits the coating evenly over every metal surface, creating a powerful anti-corrosion barrier, protecting the body inside and out. Then it's baked at high temperature. The coating fully cures and bonds to the metal. The body shell is finally back, finished with BASF Glasurit 90-line water-based paint. Exceptional gloss and durability in one step. Take a look at that flawless finish. What do you think of the result? Now it's time to disassemble the chassis. Disassembly complete. Every component is sandblasted to remove rust. Layer by layer, the corrosion is stripped away, starting from zero. Everything is coated with anti-rust primer, giving every part a new layer of protection. The chassis components are fully restored. Once reassembled, it'll feel like a brand new car. Even the suspension shows every bit of its age. A chemical rust remover dissolves 30 years of corrosion, slowly but effectively. The restored engine is finally installed.